Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you guys? My name is Mahmoud. I'm Arabic language tutor. I teach Quran and Arabic to non-native speakers. So if you'd like to have a lesson online with me, you can email me here at ustazmahmoud184@gmail.com. Today, inshallah, we're going to learn how to say in Arabic otherwise in Arabic language. And before we start our lesson, please guys don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the channel. If you could share this video with your friends, I'll be really grateful for this because this really helps me a lot. Thank you. And now let's see an example. Okay, let's go now, otherwise we will be late. Let's go now, otherwise we will be late. How to say this sentence in Arabic language? Well, we say لنذهب الآن وإلا سنتأخر. لنذهب الآن وإلا سنتأخر. Let's go now. لنذهب الآن وإلا otherwise we will be late سنتأخر. لنذهب الآن وإلا سنتأخر. So otherwise means وإلا, okay, and it comes between two sentences. The first sentence it's just like a condition, okay, and the next sentence after it just like a result for this condition, okay. So let's look at this sentence. Run fast, otherwise you will miss the train. Run fast, otherwise you will miss the train. So first we say اركض بسرعة. اركض بسرعة وإلا سيفوتك القطار. اركض بسرعة وإلا سيفوتك القطار. اركض بسرعة means run fast. اركض بسرعة وإلا otherwise سيفوتك القطار you will miss the train. سيفوتك you will miss the train القطار. اركض بسرعة وإلا سيفوتك القطار. Okay, let's look at the next sentence. Hold on tight, otherwise you will fall off. Okay, hold on tight. So first we put تمسك بقوة. تمسك بقوة. Hold on tight. Hold on تمسك بقوة tight. Otherwise we will fall off. وإلا سوف تسقط. وإلا otherwise you will fall off. سوف will fall off تسقط. تمسك بقوة وإلا سوف تسقط. Okay. Hurry up, otherwise you will be late for lunch. Hurry up. Okay. So hurry up means أسرع. وإلا ستتأخر على الغداء. ستتأخر you will be late for lunch على الغداء. أسرع وإلا ستتأخر على الغداء. Hurry up, otherwise you will be late for lunch. So otherwise here means وإلا. Okay, and of course otherwise has another meaning. Okay, has another meaning, but this is the most common meaning. Otherwise, okay, means وإلا. Okay, I hope this lesson is useful for you, inshallah. If you have any question, please write in the comment and I will reply to you. Don't forget to make dua for me and for my family. Thank you, and I see you in other lessons, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.